This video introduces a new NCBI Submission Portal wizard to help you submit eukaryotic nuclear mRNA sequences. We'll demonstrate step by step a critical part of the submission process, annotating CDS features. I'll start out signed in to the Submission Portal for a GenBank submission and begin a new submission. I'll skip over most of these steps, but this is where you can choose the eukaryotic nuclear mRNA wizard. I'll click Continue and skip to the purpose of this video, the Features step. I have already uploaded my sequence file in step number 4. We recommend reviewing this How to Annotate Features help documentation. For this demo, I'll go through 2 annotation cycles. Because I have a set of partial cDNA sequences encoding the same protein, but some have a translation start in reading frame 1, while others start in reading frame 2. Therefore, they require different feature information. Here you see the 6 sequences I uploaded, and since the first 4 sequences need the same features, I'll select those. We want the default CDS feature, so all I need to do is click on Add Feature to Selected Sequence. Now I can add the details of my CDS feature for these 4 sequences. For the nucleotide interval spans, I'll select Entire Sequence Length and accept the plus strand designation. Select 5' partial if your sequences do not include the translation initiation start codon for this gene, and select 3' partial if your sequences do not include the stop codon for this gene. In my case, the sequences are partial for both 5' and 3' ends, so I will select both. And I'll select reading frame 1 for this set of 4 sequences. To finish this page, only the protein name is required. Be sure to include here only the protein name. I'll add histone 3, and gene information is not required, but if you do fill in this field, use only the gene symbol and do not repeat the protein name. I'll accept these details, and I can now review the annotation on these 4 sequences. Clicking on the magnifying glass icon in the table highlights that sequence in the GenBank Feature Preview window on the right, and these icons work in the other direction as well. These 4 look good, so I'll now select the remaining 2 sequences to begin the next annotation cycle. I'll keep the CDS feature, click Add Feature to Selected Sequence, and move through the same steps I did earlier. The only difference in this cycle is that the CDS translation is in reading frame 2. I'll use the same protein name, histone 3, and click Accept. And again, you can review your annotations. Clicking Continue takes you to the next step, References, but we'll stop here. That's all there is to it. We would love to have your feedback and questions, so please write to info@ncbi.nlm.nih.gov.